October, week 2, math, lesson 1, first grade, word problems. Who would like to read the first one? Okay. A1. Say that number. 128.
36.
What are those?
One number.
Butterflies. And then say 36 do what?
36.
Fly away. How many left? So let's read it again, Kay. 128 butterflies. 36 fly away. How many left? Does it tell us all the stuff? Yeah. It tells us there's 128 butterflies. So in your math book, make a box and write 128 in the box.
How far am I?
Okay, there's room on that page. Okay. Does it tell us part of the stuff?
Yes.
Yeah, part of them flew away. How much is that?
36.
36. Make a line part way along the bottom of the box. Like that. And write 36. On the line. Does it tell us the other part?
No.
No. Make a line for the other part that didn't fly away. And make it go to the end of the box because these two parts should match all of the stuff, right? This is part of this stuff and this is the rest. So don't make the lines longer than the box and don't make them shorter. They should match. What kind of problem is this?
Long division times takeaway.
Good, Damien. Look, guys. It's telling you it's a
Takeaway.
takeaway. Okay, you see that right there? Okay, so we're going to write this as a takeaway. If we're writing it as a takeaway, which number should go on top for the minuend? The bigger number or the smaller number?
Bigger.
Bigger, yeah. Can you take away 128 from 36?
No.
No. Can you take away 36 from 128?
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's smaller. So we're going to write this number on top for the minuend. 128.
On the. Got it.
And then underneath it, we're going to write 36, which has 6 units. So that goes under the 8 and 3 tens. And then make a takeaway sign and a line.
Ding.
Okay, did everybody finish writing it?
Yep, and I even made the minuend.
Good. Okay, now talk to your partner. And you're going to make the minuend units first. Who is going to make the units?
I mean, you make the
Ask your partner.
because I choose to. Actually, I'll make the unit. Damien.
And
No, you
once
choose
you've
me.
decided-
No, please, can I, Damien? Damien, please.
okay, JD and Damien, once you've decided, That partner has to make how many units?
8.
8.
1, 2,
1,
3, 4,
2, 3,
5,
4, 5, 6, 7,
and now we wait.
8.
Now get 2 tens. I mean 2 hundreds. 2 tens. 2 tens.
Now the other person gets the tens in between.
I'll do the tens.
How many tens are there?
2, 2,
2. So you're going to go 1, 2, and put them next to the unit.
Why do you have to go 1, 2? Goodness,
Damien, you're in a video.
Now 1 of
How
these.
many hundreds?
1.
Okay, so the first person, the one that made the units, is going to get 100. And that's it. You made the mini one. Now we have to do what?
Right down.
We have to take away the subtrahend. Units first. How many? 6. So whoever's turn it is
Damien, you take away 6 units.
takes away 6 units. I think you made that 100. Didn't
No.
you? No.
I think we'll take away
1,
No, Damien.
2,
Hey, just let me see how many you took away. 1, 2, 3,
4,
4, 5.
5.
Let me count them.
6.
We have 2 left.
You should have 2 left. Did everybody have
Dude,
2 left?
yep, I told you.
Now, the other person, which is JD and Anna, we're going to take away how many tens in them? Subtrahend.
2,
No.
1, 3.
3. Uh-oh.
We can't.
We can't.
We have to get some.
We have to sell our 100. Anna needs to do it. Okay. It's Anna's turn. Give her that.
Then, no, Damien.
So
You
take the 100 to the banker, which is the other person. So Anna's going to give her 100 to Kay, and she's going to say, I need 10 tens. JD's going to give his 100 to Damien, not to the bank, to Damien. He's your banker.
Damien, you
And you're
can.
going to say, I need 10 tens.
I need 10 tens. I need 10 tens. No, now you put that in there. I need 10 of these.
The banker is going
No,
to
you have to
give,
give. We need 10 of
the banker, which is Damien, is going to give the person 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Here, Damien, you can
5,
count these
6, 7, 8.
There's 12 of
10.
these.
Gideon, you get me keyboards. Where do those tens go? Good, Anna. They go here.
Now you count them.
Nice teamwork. Now, Anna and JD, you still have to take away 3. 1. Anna, take away 3. 2. 3. Are we done?
Yes.
All right, what's left?
1, 2 units.
2 units.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 tens. So put 2 in the units column and 9 in the tens column. Damien,
I'm trying to find the page. Oh, there it is.
first can you put a 2 under the 6 and a 9 under the 3?
That's 4, 3, 4, 5, 6. Put this on the board. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
After you write the 2 units and the 9 tens, you're going to write that in the box and put a butterfly. So we're going to write 92 and then make a butterfly. Butterfly.
Can I see? It's just... Butterfly? How do you make one of those?
Some kids, when they draw a butterfly, they just do a sideways 8. And then they just put 2 little antennae. 92 butterflies.
92 butterflies are left.
Only 36 flew away. It must be some kind of butterfly swarm, huh?
Look, I made my butterfly. I just did a line with 2 limbs on the sides and then it's easy. Uh-oh, here comes the star. That's a good star.
Okay, we're going to go to A2. Who wants to read it?
I will.
Damien. Say 17 stars.
17 stars. Take away 20.
No, it says 26 more. And then it says how many. Okay, so let's read that again, Damien. 17 stars, 26 more. How many? All right. Do we know all the stuff? Okay. No, this time we don't. Make a box. And this time we're going to put a question mark. We don't know all the stuff.
And what do we write?
You put a question mark in the box. Damien, in your math book, draw a box and make a question mark. Put a question mark. Good girl. Do we know part of the stuff?
Yes.
Yes, part of the stars was 17. Make a line part way along the bottom and write 17 on the line. Do we know the other part?
No.
Do we know the other part of the stuff?
No. No, we do not.
Okay,
Yes, we
look
do.
at the problem.
Yes, we do.
Do we know the other part of the stuff?
Yes.
Yes. How much is it?
26.
Good. So make a line part way to the other side of the box and write 26. Did you all do that? JD's done. Good. I'm going to get Anna caught up.
Yeah, she's so slow.
Damien, if you can't say something nice, then don't say anything at all.
I like to say the
Now.
opposite to my brother.
Look at your box, look at the lines, and make your hands into the lines. But means we have to sit up.
I've seen her.
And do this. When we know both parts, what kind of problem is it going to make?
Plus.
Plus. Anna, can you do this? Make your hands into these lines and then go. It's a plus. So we're going to write this as a plus. Does it matter which number goes on top? Not when it's a plus. Anna, which one do you want to put on top? 17 or 26?
17.
Okay,
Oh.
so we're going to write 17.
I have a cousin that is
Damien.
18.
And then 26 underneath. The 6 goes under the 7 because that's units. And the 2 goes under the 1 because that's tens. You put a plus sign. And then make a line to show where the sum is going to go.
I did 2 lines, so it's a real sum.
Everybody did it? Don't forget a plus sign. Good girl. Can you write it? Now we're going to make the top adding. So put your beads and 10 bars away that you had from the last problem.
Okay, now you get your units.
And decide who's going to go first. Okay, did you decide? I'm going to count to 3. 1, 2,
Hey, man, is it me?
3. Who's going first?
Damien.
Damien. Who's going first?
Me.
Okay, okay.
How
How many units in the top adding? 7. 1, 2,
I bet this is
3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Make sure they're on the right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Add 8.
Okay, good job counting. Now put them on the right.
They are on. Now it's the other.
Now it's the other person's turn. Anna, how many 10s in the top adding? Anna, how many 10s in the top adding?
1.
1. 1 10. Do we make the bottom adding?
Yes.
Yes. How many units in the bottom adding? 6. So whoever the first person was, it's your turn again. 6 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Do you know
Damien,
how
you're
to
in a lesson. Put them under the other units.
under?
Good. And then how many 10s in the bottom adding? Anna. Look at my finger. That's 2. So you're going to get 2 10s and put them under the other 10 in the 10s column. Okay, you're done. You did what it says, didn't you? Look, you did it. Can you write that down? No, we have to put it all together. Please sit up, and I'll give you a ruler.
May I please have a real one? The highest height.
Put your ruler under your add-ins, and we're going to add units first, and it's the first person's turn. Move all the units down. That's Damien and Kay. All of them below the ruler. And so your ruler goes here. And put all the units below. It's not your turn, honey. Wait for Kay. Put all your units below the ruler and count. Miss Cammie said to put all the units below the ruler. Did I say to move the 10s?
Damien, put all the units there.
Thank you. Now count the units.
13, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12, 13.
13. Is it okay to have 13?
No.
What are we going to do?
Put 10 back.
We're going to exchange 10 of
10,
them.
and then we get one more to
Go ahead
these.
and take 10 of them and give them to the banker. So, Damien, you're in charge of the units. JD is your banker. You're going to give him 10. Kay, you're going to give
Here,
10
you
to
can drop them
Anna
in my hand.
and tell her what you want.
You tell me. I need 10.
Good, Kay. Damien, let's hear you tell JD what you want. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
I need
6,
a 10.
7, 8.
And the banker gives you a 10. And you put that 10 down below the ruler after the banker gives it to you.
Let me put down below the ruler.
Okay?
Tammy, you haven't
Now
added.
it's JD and Anna's turn, and they're going to add the 10s. All the 10s go below the ruler. Nope, not from the bank, just the ones you have. Good. Now let's count. How many units do you have?
3 and 4.
3. 3 units. Okay? You're going to write a 3 right there. Thank you, Anna. Go get another one if you've lost it. Anna, can you write? Oh, here it is.
No, Anna has my pencil.
Okay, switch. Can you give her hers? Please put a 3 below the 7 and the 6. In the units column, like I did. How many 10s do you have?
4.
4. Put that 4 below the 1 and the 2. And our answer, our sum, is 43. Go to this box and write 43 and then put a star. 43 stars.
This box and write 43. And now put this one. Can I put 2 stars? I'm going to do 3 stars.
Okay, we're going to read the last problem.
Well,
Put your finger in there. A3.
can I wait?
Damien, I'm waiting.
It's triangle.
Okay, Damien, can you put your sheet down like JD has his in front of you on the rug? On top of your math book. Good. Okay, JD, that's a big number. Do you want me to help you with it?
Yes.
1,306.
1,306.
Triangles.
Triangle.
5,283 more. And now read the bottom part.
How many?
Does it tell us how many altogether?
No.
Do we know all the stuff?
No.
No. Make a box and put. You guys, this is going to have to be a really, really wide box. Because we've got some big numbers we're going to be writing. So make your box pretty wide.
I will make it wide and simple.
Like that.
This is my wide.
Good.
That's how wide I made mine.
Put a question mark. We don't know all the stuff.
You know it.
No, I don't. Now we're going to make a line and write 1,306 for part of the stuff, right? Do we know part of the stuff?
I don't have room
Yes.
at the bottom though.
1,306. Okay, just figure it out. Here's a new page.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Do we know the other part?
yes.
5,283. Told ya. Big numbers, huh?
Wait.
Damien, did you write both parts?
Hey, how'd you write that? Now the teacher. How'd you write it?
Okay. Do you guys remember? When we know both parts, what happens?
I just did that.
Yes, you did. It's going to be a
What?
plus. Does it matter which number goes on top?
No.
Okay, you pick this time. Which Which one do you want to put on top? 1,306 or 5,283?
1,000.
Okay, so we're going to put the little guy on top, says Kate. 1,306.
I still have to write my numbers.
And actually, Kate, you're going to need more space underneath, so move that over to the side of your page and put it near the top. Okay. Underneath that, we have to write the other part, which is 5,283. So the 3 goes under the 6. The 8 goes under the 0, because that's tens, right? Units, tens. What's next? Units, tens, hundreds. So it has 2 hundreds. And it's got some thousands. 5,000. And we said it's a plus, right? And then we make a line for the sun. If you're done writing it, put your beads away, and if you're still writing, don't put the beads away, just let the other person do it.
Done. I'll put these ones. Hey, we're missing. This should be way away.
Put your ruler to the side. Put it off to the side. And make sure all your beads are away. And we're going to make the top add in. How many units does it have?
1.
6.
Damien, I go first. Yeah. You.
2, 4, 6.
I just grabbed them by twos.
Good. That's what I did.
2, 4, 6. It's 2 twos.
3
Nope.
twos, right?
3
2, 4,
twos.
6.
And
Okay. Now you need to make the tens. How many?
0.
0. Grab some air and put it there. Okay, good. Now, the other person, back to the first person. Time to make some hundreds. How many
3.
in the top add end?
3.
3. Leave space for the tens. Don't put the hundreds in the tens space. 1, 2,
Look at that.
3. Okay, last of all, how many thousands in the top add end?
1.
Okay. 1. Take your 1,000, put it next to the hundreds. Okay? That's 1,306. Now we get to make the bottom add end. How many units?
You go first. Damien, your turn to go first.
She left. How many units? 3. 3 units and put them under the 6 units. 1, 2, 3. How many tens in the bottom end?
8.
8. You're going to put them under this empty space that you left, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
No, it's these. Oh.
Nice, Damien. And JD, nice listening to him.
And this thing like that, because I know we will. Let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
How many hundreds in the bottom end? 2.
They made fun 2 of these.
1, 2. And they have to go underneath your other hundreds.
Now it's my turn for
How
5 of
many
these.
thousands in the bottom end?
5. 5. One,
1, 2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4.
5.
I'm making the Lego.
Alright. Each made it different. Time? Did we do what it says?
Yeah.
Yes, we did. We did exactly what it says. But can we write it down?
No.
No. This is kind of a mess, right?
Right.
We need to put it all
Good.
together. So get your ruler and put your ruler below both ends. And shall we add units, tens, or hundreds first? Units first. Move all your units down below the ruler. Don't touch your tens, don't touch your hundreds, only your units. Down below the ruler.
All the way down here, Damien.
And count them.
You got one.
That's
I
right.
already know that.
There are 9. Did you count them,
I
David?
go pick them up. I didn't count them.
Excuse me, I'm in recording a lesson right now and you're making too much noise over there.
7, 8, 9.
9. That's what I got. All right. Now move all your tens below the ruler.
If you had 10,
David. And count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then 4.
What'd you get?
8. 8.
Okay. Now move all your hundreds below the ruler.
Amy, you're 100. I'd rather remove them. Now stack them.
And count them.
I swear to
5. 5?
Yeah.
All right. Now move all your thousands below the ruler.
I'm gonna make a new statue though. Wait.
And what'd you get? I got 6. Count yours again. Count them.
I knew I got 6 because 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And 9, 8.
Damien, excuse me. Damien, count your thousands.
These thousands.
All your thousands. Count them.
1, 2, 4, 6.
6.
This is 7.
Count them again.
Damien, watch. 2,
Excuse me, JD. Please be quiet. Damien, count them again.
2, 4, 6.
6. Did you get 6K?
Yeah.
All right, Kay, can you please put your thousands next to the hundreds? Thank you. All right, let's write this down. How many units did you guys say? 9. So over here, you're going to make a 9 in the units column.
9.
A 9. Below the 3 and the 6. Very
8.
good. Excuse me. How many tens do you guys have?
9.
8. And hundreds?
6.
No, it's 5, Damien.
5.
And thousands? 6. 6,589.
89.
Say it with me.
6,000.
6,000. Damien and Kay. Can we all say it? 6,589. Damien, say it.
500.
Start with your 6,000s.
6,589.
Good. Kay, say it.
600.
6,000.
6,589.
Good. Let's write it in the box and put a triangle. 6,589 and then draw a triangle.
How do you write it? I got 500 80. Wait,
And I can sign your planners.